Hi guys, we're at the Lincoln Central Level Crossing and Lincoln with Joe and Gordon minecart.
Hi guys, we're back again at the Lincoln Central Level Crossing in Lincoln with Golden and Joe. Nice Yoda alarm.
Cock is so quiet today.
There we go, now.
It's 08:34 on Thursday, the 3rd of March 2016. This is for 08:36 to limit 56 is train service to Leicester. And possibly for early 08:53 601 Charlie, this is train service for the Kingswood.
Okay. God, what's going on here?
You saying something?
Right.
I switch hands with my iPad and my phone so you can they can hear what you say as well.
Yeah.
It's the point of featuring someone in the video is letting them hear what you say.
Yeah.
And as you can see today, they're working on the footbridge. So a lot of drilling going on.
Are they also working on the lifts?
But they're all strapped up just in case they don't fall off. Because they're actually climbing to the bridge. They've actually got harnesses on.
All right. Which platform is the 158 on? Which platform is the 158 on?
Platform 4A.
What time does it leave?
Here's the freight. So we're also for the freight train today.
What time did the 158 leave?
8:36.
Platform 4A from the 08:36 East Midlands trains service to Leicester.
We're going to hike up to Swindon, Collingham, Newcastle, Roddeston, Biscuiton, Beeston, Davidson, Alderburton, Joyce, Carlton, Nottingham, Beeston, Parkway, Loughborough, Barrow, Salisbury, South and Leicester. I don't know whether it stops all those petty stops in between Newark and Leicester in Nottingham. Right, freight train is actually moving. No, it's...
Yeah,
the freight train's moving. But very slightly. I'm not sure what's coming first. I think it's like, oh, here comes Leicester.
Yep,
We've
she
got
is.
just recorded minecart 158, age 64.
Wait, where is she?
Here.
Oh, guess who? 158864 again. My favourite train.
A present for Mr. Golden Minecart 158, 864 to Leicester by
Yay!
Newark and Nottingham.
That's my favourite train. That was the first 158 I caught at Sleaford. That 15864 was my first 158 I caught at Sleaford.
My first 158 was here, which was on the 3rd of May.
Okay.
Which was 158774.
Right.
Which is the first day I met you-know-who.
All right. When did you ever see your stalker 158780?
Oh, I met that first at on the 29th of December 2014 at some sleep.
Right. I don't know when I met 158770, which is my stalker. And also, I also sent you a video on your Facebook page.
I know.
Yeah, my stalker came to Grantham.
And you also put a picture on my Facebook page of 158780 Chesterfield, didn't you?
Yeah. Yeah, but I actually saw 158770 on the back of 158777 at Grantham, and I was with Billy at that time.
That freight train hits it.
Right, where's that freight?
The freight train is just moving.
Okay.
No, it's not actually. It's just waiting for it to...
I've now been recording for 4 minutes and 30 seconds.
There's a balloon on the track over there.
Well, I hope that train doesn't catch it.
Yeah, it's moving. You see the balloon?
How did that get there?
Rail. The freight train's moving.
How did that balloon get there? I think someone might have dropped it.
The video could be called Death of the Balloon. It's actually on the rail. And the freight train's approaching it.
Yeah, it might burst.
Studio 17. This is going to be awesome, seeing a balloon get burst by a train.
Oh, yeah. We'll go bang. I can hear something. Here she is.
I don't think it's see it anyway.
It's passing the up main line.
It's got blown out of the way. Unless it's gone under the train somewhere.
I don't know.
Probably not 5 minutes, really.
It's a long one. Joe, that train is actually a long one.
It's pretty long, isn't it?
Yeah. How many tanks has it got?
We've got about 30 odd.
About the same amount as a Eurostar's got.
Yeah, but they're small carriages, aren't they, on Eurostars?
Eurostars have about 20, I think.
Eurostars have about 18 carriages.
Yeah, they have 18 or 20 carriages.
Eurostars have got small carriages. You notice, between gaps. Train.
Yeah, I already know that.
It's not 8 on each set, there's 4 on each set.
You told me about that. About the wheels in between
It's
the
17 at Kingsbury.
train, the wheels in between the train. There it goes. And
We're on for 7 minutes now. I'm
Yeah.
not going to be able to read this in HD.
yeah, I've been recording for 7 minutes and 10 seconds now.
Up they go.
Oh, up they go.
I'll see you in later videos.
Right, thank you guys. I'll see you later.